Viddyoze is a template subscription online service, although these templates are available in a wide variety of categories. Features of Viddyoze. Viddyoze is simple, but is loaded with a lot of helpful features. 1. Professional Viddyoze templates. There are at least 10 categories under professional templates. Alpha. Extended. Intro. Live action. Logo. Outro. Overlay. Social. Title. Transition. 2. Live action videos. Live action videos are part of the templates available. If you're using the professional plan, then you can see at least 60 of these. These are real videos that you can customize according to your needs or preferences. 3. Customization of content. Because video marketing needs are different among users, it's essential that you can customize the content. How can you do that with Viddyoze? 4. Watermarking. Adding a watermark can help protect your account from digital theft. It's also a good way to showcase your brand, especially if you want to attract more clients. However, this feature is available only to those with an agency account, and it's not cheap. 5. White label technology. This is a feature that allows you to send previews of your custom-made videos to others complete with your own watermark. This is helpful when you want to showcase your portfolio and attract new clients, or give your customers a preview to know what to expect about the video. Then, you are less likely to deal with multiple edits and back-and-forth communications. 6. Reselling. Some videos can give you a reseller license permission, which means you can create great videos and later sell them online. You can do that in Fiverr and Upwork. That's on top of allowing you to offer add-on video marketing services. You can, of course, make that your primary service, whatever works for you. 7. Reverse sales method bonus. It's a bonus for those who subscribe to a commercial plan. It is a video training series that helps you learn how to sell the videos you made for a profit. Encourage local businesses to sell your videos to them, so you don't spend a lot of time looking for new customers. Potentially earn around $10,000 a month without hard selling. Automate the video creating and selling process. 8. YouTube Profits Elevator Bonus. To be clear, Viddyoze is different from other YouTube video editing and analytics software. However, you can upload Viddyoze-made videos into the platform, so this bonus is handy. How can it help? Teaches you how to become an excellent influencer in record time. Optimizes your YouTube strategies for more videos, sales, and subscribers. Lets you sell video services to your clients via YouTube. 9. Simultaneous video processing. Whether you're planning to make a long video or need to complete several videos in a day, you need a platform that lets you process videos in batches. Under the commercial and agency plans, you can do that with Viddyoze. 10. Bespoke animation service. Just in case you get so lazy or want to further customize your videos, you can contact the Viddyoze team and they'll do it on your behalf. Who should consider this? Viddyoze claims that their agency plan is best for people ready to commit to huge success. According to the company, those who use it could earn as much as $20,000 per client or $500 per hour. Note that its price tag could reach $6,000 a year, so this can be capital intensive, especially for small businesses. Money back guarantee, yes, 30 days. Free trial, none.